Lesson 6. Wanted, a just right government. Wanted, a government that has enough power to do its job, doesn't give anyone too much power, considers the needs of all states, lets people have a say, protects individual rights. In 1777, the Americans wrote their first plan for government in a document called the Articles of Confederation. A confederation is a group of individuals united together for a purpose. The Articles of Confederation stated that each state was independent and had its own government. Each state would send representatives to the Congress of the Confederation. The Congress was the only central government. There was no president. In Congress, each state got one vote. This was a rocky relationship between the states and Congress. The states thought this sounded great because the states get to keep their own power and independence. There was no government telling the states what to do. Congress had the power to create a military to protect all the states. Congress thought, wait, not so fast, because Congress had no way to enforce its laws. Congress had no power to collect taxes to pay for the military. The articles could only be changed if all the states agreed. Let's take a quick quiz. True or false? Under the Articles of Confederation, a president would lead the country. The answer is false. True or false? Under the Articles of Confederation, states would be independent. The answer is true. True or false? The Articles of Confederation were easy to change. The answer is false. True or false? Under the Articles, states with more people got more votes in Congress. The answer is false. True or false? Under the Articles, Congress did not have the power to collect taxes. The answer is true. True or false? Under the Articles, Congress could pass laws and force states to follow them. The answer is false. True or false? The Articles of Confederation created the first American government. The answer is true. Now let's think of irreconcilable differences. True or false? Everyone thought the central government should have more power. The answer is false. True or false? Some people were afraid states might lose their independence. The answer is true. True or false? Different states had different needs for government to meet. The answer is true. True or false? The states all got along with each other. The answer is false. Last one. True or false? The government created by the Articles of Confederation had everything under control among the states. The answer is false. The Articles of Confederation was one branch, the legislative, which makes the laws. Next, there was a new idea, a government of 3 branches. There was a battle of the plans. Virginia had a plan that stated, the legislative branch has 2 chambers. The number of votes for each state depends on the state's population, and larger states would have more power. The New Jersey plan was a bit different. It stated that the legislative branch has 1 chamber. Each state gets 1 vote, and smaller states would have more power. Virginia was a large state, and New Jersey was a small state. Surprise, surprise. The final result was the Constitution solution. The executive branch carries out the laws. The judicial branch interprets the laws. The legislative branch makes the laws. There was also a divided Congress with 2 separate houses. The Senate, where each state gets 2 votes, and the House of Representatives, where votes are based on the state's population. Let's take another quick quiz on the Constitution solution. True or false? The Articles require states to treat citizens from other states the same as their own citizens. The answer is false. The Constitution requires each state to treat citizens of other states the same as it treats its own citizens. How many states had to agree in order for the Articles of Confederation to be changed? All states or a majority of states? The answer is all states. The Constitution can be changed if 2/3 of the members of Congress and 3/4 of the states agree. True or false? The Articles of Confederation required states to follow the laws Congress passed. The answer is false. The Constitution says that the laws passed by Congress are superior to the laws passed by states. Under the Constitution, laws are made by the blank branch. Is the correct answer executive or legislative? The answer is legislative. Under the Constitution, laws passed by Congress are blank to state laws. Is the correct answer superior or inferior? The answer is superior. Under the Constitution, Congress has blank, 1 chamber or 2 chambers. The answer is 2 chambers. Under the Constitution, each state gets 2 votes in the blank, House of Representatives or Senate. The answer is Senate. Under the Constitution, the number of votes each state gets in the House of Representatives is based on its, is the answer population or taxes? The answer is population. Under the Constitution, a change to the Constitution must be approved by all states or 3/4 of the states? The answer is 3/4 of the states. Let's do one more quiz. Are we discussing the Constitution, the Articles of Confederation, or both? First question, created a president? The answer is A, Constitution. Created a government? The answer is C, both. Had one branch of government? The answer is B, the Articles. Had enough power to do its job? The answer is A, Constitution. Created a court system? A, Constitution. Gave large and small states the same power? B, Articles. Created a Congress? C, both. Compromise between large and small states? A, Constitution. Created a military? C, both. Didn't let Congress enforce its laws? B, Articles. What next? Take the time to go back and review the lesson on your own. After your review, complete the lesson review for the lesson and submit for grading. Remember, your submission should follow all the rules for standard written English.